In the high plateaus, a wandering chef discovers a centuries-old rice dish, woven from barley and wild greens, that locals say revived a festival long past, and fuels a village with memory and meaning. The episode follows rivers of steam through a mountain kitchen, as the cook speaks with elders about rituals surrounding the dish, and its role in rites of harvest and gratitude. The story reveals how a single recipe carried caravan roots, and how community rituals shaped its preparation. The dish transforms into a living archive of migration, trade, and shared identity for a people. The journey leaves viewers hungry for more forgotten plates and the conversations that sustain them.